Okay, just a real quick video here. We just arrived here at Tonopah Station in Tonopah, Nevada. That's Tonopah Station right there. And they have approximately 14 sites here. And there is no amenities here. Well, very basic. They have a really good cafe inside that makes a pretty darn good hamburger and a good breakfast, good dinner, good club sandwich, and some gambling. It does have a hotel or a motel. We've never stayed in the motel, but so I can't say how that is. But the rate is $35 a night. They have approximately, I believe, 14 sites. And it's pretty nice. Like I say, don't come here expecting resort amenities. Doesn't exist. They do have full hookups, water, electric, and sewer, as you can see, I believe, at each site. And to let you know, right here is where sometimes semis park. And one year we came in here and there was a semi parked here with a reefer that had its refrigerator unit going, its Thermo King, all night long. And it was noisy. Fortunately, he left early in the morning, but it was hard to get a good night's rest that night. So I'm just letting you know, there's always that possibility that something like that may happen. But that's only been one time, and we've been coming here, oh my gosh, at least 15 years. And that was just one time. So we're in site number 4. When you arrive, the doors are right over here. Go in the double doors, and the desk to pay is off to the right. And you can grab yourself a good meal if you want. There are people that come in here that are working out in the field in and around Tonopah. So there are gold mines, silver mines. They're working on 95, the main road going through Tonopah now. So there's a lot of stuff going on around Tonopah and in Tonopah, actually. So, but just to let you know, again, this is not resort level. It's just a really good place to come in, do your thing, get a good night's rest, eat, maybe do a little gambling. Can't say what the machines are like because I've never played the machines. I don't gamble, so. But it's a good place to get a good night's rest and a good meal, and then move on to your next location. Okay, I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.